Welcome to the AI Starter course. In Chapter 2, titled Getting Started with Generative AI, we'll explore the fundamentals of this rapidly evolving technology and learn how to interact with it effectively. Welcome to Chapter 2. Generative AI stands as one of the fastest-growing areas within artificial intelligence, fundamentally transforming how we create content and approach problem-solving. Throughout this chapter, you will gain a clear understanding of what generative AI entails, delve into the workings of large language models, explore prominent AI assistants like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, learn practical methods for creating content using AI tools, recognize the inherent limitations and potential risks associated with AI, and finally, master the basics of prompt engineering to achieve optimal results. This knowledge will equip you with the foundational skills to leverage generative AI in your daily tasks and projects. So, what exactly is generative AI? At its core, generative AI refers to AI systems designed to create entirely new content. These systems achieve this by learning complex patterns from vast amounts of existing data, allowing them to produce original outputs that often mimic human-generated work. Generative AI is incredibly versatile and can create a wide range of content, including text, images, audio, video, and even computer code. To reiterate, generative AI is a distinct category of artificial intelligence. Its primary function is to create novel content by identifying and internalizing patterns from existing data, then using these learned patterns to generate unique and original outputs. This capability marks a significant leap in AI technology. Understanding how generative AI works is key. These powerful AI systems are trained on massive datasets, a process that enables them to learn and internalize patterns. The workflow is quite straightforward. Training data is fed into an AI model, which then processes user instructions, or P, R, O, M, P, T, S to produce generated content. Essentially, the model learns patterns from the training data, user prompts guide the generation process, and new original content is produced in response. Generative AI is important because it's profoundly changing how individuals and organizations work and create. It offers several significant advantages. It dramatically speeds up content creation, allowing for rapid generation of various media. It consistently improves overall productivity by automating routine or complex tasks. It provides powerful assistance with research, helping to quickly sift through and synthesize information. It strongly supports software development by generating code snippets or offering debugging suggestions, and importantly, it enhances human creativity by providing a collaborative tool for exploring new ideas and possibilities. At the heart of many generative AI applications, particularly those dealing with text, is the large language model, or LLM. A large language model is an AI system that has been specifically trained on enormous amounts of text data. This extensive training allows it to understand, process, and generate human-like language with remarkable fluency and coherence. Large language models, or LLMs, are truly the foundation of many modern AI tools we interact with today. They possess several powerful capabilities. LLMs can understand natural language, interpreting user input in a human-like way. They can generate human-like responses, crafting coherent and contextually relevant text. They excel at summarizing information, condensing large documents or articles into key points. They can answer a wide array of questions, drawing from their vast training data. And of course, they are adept at creating new content, from articles and emails to creative writing. So, how exactly do LLMs work? Large language models learn intricate patterns in language during an intensive training phase. This training involves feeding them billions of words from diverse sources like books, articles, websites, and various documents. During this process, these billions of words are analyzed to identify statistical relationships and patterns. The model then learns these patterns, understanding how words and phrases typically connect. Finally, when given a prompt, the LLM generates responses by predicting the most probable next word or sequence of words, based on the patterns it has learned. The capabilities of large language models are quite broad and impactful across various domains. They can effectively answer questions by providing detailed information and explanations on a multitude of topics. LLMs can also write content, helping users generate articles, emails, reports, and various other textual materials. For developers and engineers, they can generate code, assisting in the creation and explanation of software. And a particularly powerful feature is their ability to summarize information, condensing large amounts of text into concise and digestible summaries. Now, let's explore some of the most popular generative AI tools, starting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a highly influential conversational AI system that was developed by OpenAI. It utilizes large language models to engage in dialogue, answer a wide range of questions, and generate diverse forms of content based on user prompts. ChatGPT is one of the most widely used AI tools, and for good reason. It offers an impressive array of functions. It can adeptly answer your questions on nearly any topic. It's excellent at generating written content, from creative stories to professional emails. ChatGPT can also assist with coding, providing snippets, debugging help, or explanations of complex functions. Furthermore, it's very effective at summarizing information, extracting key points from longer texts. Finally, it serves as a powerful resource to support learning and research, acting like an interactive tutor or research assistant. Looking at common ChatGPT applications, its versatility is evident. In WRITING, it can help you draft articles, emails, and various textual documents with speed and efficiency. For PROGRAMMING, ChatGPT can generate and explain code, becoming a valuable assistant for developers. In the realm of LEARNING, it provides tutoring and detailed explanations on complex subjects, making it an excellent educational tool. And for RESEARCH, it excels at summarizing information quickly, helping you grasp the essence of lengthy texts in a fraction of the time. Next, let's look at Claude. Claude is another sophisticated AI assistant, developed by Anthropic. Its design philosophy emphasizes helpful, accurate, and conversational interactions, aiming to be a reliable and user-friendly AI partner. Claude is particularly known for its focus on safety and ethical AI development. Claude is especially popular and effective when working with documents and long-form content. It can analyze large documents, helping you process extensive reports or papers. It excels at summarizing information, distilling complex texts into digestible insights. Claude can also generate content, producing various forms of written material. It assists with programming tasks, much like other AI models, and it's a valuable tool for supporting business workflows, streamlining operations through its conversational and analytical capabilities. Finally, we have Gemini. Gemini is a powerful family of AI models developed by Google. What makes Gemini particularly noteworthy is its comprehensive multimodal AI capabilities, meaning it natively supports and integrates text, images, and other forms of media, enabling it to process and generate content across different modalities seamlessly. Gemini's strengths lie in its deep integration with Google's extensive ecosystem and services, making it a powerful tool for many. It can generate content, producing text and other media forms. Gemini is excellent at analyzing information, processing complex data to provide insights. Its multimodal capabilities mean it can effectively work with images, understanding and generating visual content. Furthermore, it's designed to support a wide range of productivity tasks, helping users streamline their work, and it can significantly assist with research and learning, leveraging Google's vast knowledge base. When comparing these popular AI assistants, we can highlight their unique strengths. ChatGPT is known for its strong conversational AI capabilities, excellent coding assistance, broad content generation abilities, and its integration into a wide ecosystem of tools. On the other hand, Claude and Gemini share strengths in document analysis, long context processing for handling extensive texts, robust research assistance, and supporting various productivity workflows, often leveraging their multimodal capabilities and enterprise-grade features. Moving on, let's talk about AI content generation. Fundamentally, AI content generation is the process of creating various forms of media, be it text, images, code, or other digital assets, using advanced generative AI systems. This capability empowers users to produce high-quality content with unprecedented speed and scale. Generative AI can produce a remarkable array of content types. For text, it can generate articles, emails, reports, and creative writing. When it comes to AI can create stunning artwork and illustrations, from realistic depictions to abstract designs. Developers benefit from its ability to generate code, including programs and scripts. And for educators and communicators, AI can even assist in producing presentations, including slides and other educational content. The impact of AI on content creation is transformative. Generative AI can significantly reduce the time and effort required to produce content across various mediums. For example, It can rapidly draft marketing materials such as ad copy or social media posts. It's excellent for generating blog posts on a wide range of topics, providing initial drafts or outlines. Technical documentation can be accelerated, with AI helping to write manuals or user guides. It's also useful for creating training materials, outlining courses, or generating practice questions. And for engaging audiences, AI can assist in crafting compelling social media content. While generative AI is incredibly powerful, it's crucial to understand its limitations. An AI limitation refers to a situation where an AI system cannot reliably perform a specific task or, worse, may produce inaccurate or undesirable results. Acknowledging these limitations is key to using AI responsibly and effectively. Understanding AI limitations is paramount. While AI is undeniably powerful and continues to advance rapidly, it is important to remember that it is not perfect. AI can, and often does, make mistakes. It may generate incorrect information, sometimes with a confident tone that can be misleading. Crucially, AI does not truly understand concepts in the same way that humans do. Its understanding is based on statistical patterns and correlations. Therefore, any results generated by AI should always be carefully reviewed by a human expert. Let's delve into some of the common AI limitations you should be aware of. A, C, C, U, R, A, C, Y is a significant concern, as AI responses may contain errors or factual inaccuracies, requiring careful verification. B, I, A, S can also be present. Since AI models learn from existing data, any biases within that training data can be inadvertently introduced and perpetuated in the AI's outputs. Knowledge gaps are another limitation, meaning some information provided by AI might be incomplete or lack the most current data. Finally, AI can sometimes struggle with C, O, N, T, E, X, T, potentially misunderstanding complex situations or nuances that a human would easily grasp. A particularly important limitation to understand is what we call hallucination. A hallucination occurs when an AI system confidently generates information that is factually incorrect, misleading, or even completely fabricated, presenting it as if it were true. This is not intentional deception by the AI, but rather a byproduct of its pattern-matching nature, where it generates plausible-sounding but false information. To illustrate AI hallucinations, consider these examples. AI may occasionally generate information that sounds perfectly correct, but is actually false. This includes inventing sources, citing non-existent articles or research. It might create fictional facts, presenting made-up statistics or historical details as real. AI can also misstate dates or statistics, getting numbers or timelines incorrect. And particularly in coding, it may produce incorrect code that looks syntactically plausible but won't function as intended or contains errors. It's vital to remember this critical tip. Never assume AI is always correct. AI-generated content should always be reviewed carefully and critically before being accepted or published. Best practices for working with AI include: always verify important facts generated by the AI, rigorously review any generated code for functionality and errors, meticulously check references and citations provided to ensure their authenticity, and most importantly, apply your own human judgment and expertise to evaluate the AI's output. Your oversight is indispensable. Given the nuances of AI, it becomes essential to master prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the practice of designing effective, clear, and precise instructions that you provide to an AI system. The goal is to help these AI systems generate better, more relevant, and accurate responses, making your interaction with AI far more productive. So, what exactly is a prompt? A prompt is simply the instruction or question that you provide to an AI system. For example, a basic prompt might be, "Explain cloud computing to a beginner." It's crucial to understand that the quality of your prompt directly influences the quality of the AI's response. Clear, well-structured instructions invariably produce better results. Therefore, mastering prompting is an increasingly important AI skill for anyone looking to effectively utilize these powerful tools. Let's look at an example to understand what makes a better prompt. Instead of a vague prompt like, "Explain Linux," which might yield a very general or overly technical response, try something more specific like, "Explain Linux to a beginner using simple language and 3 real-world examples." This improved prompt provides more context for the AI, clearly defines the target audience as a beginner, and consequently, produces a far more useful and tailored response. The key is to be explicit. To consistently get the best results from AI, follow these prompt engineering best practices. First, be specific. Clearly define the task you want the AI to perform. Second, provide context. Explain the goal or background information necessary for the AI to understand your request. Third, define format. Specify the desired output structure, whether it's a bulleted list, a paragraph, or a specific tone. And finally, ITERATE. Don't be afraid to refine your prompts based on the initial results until you achieve the output you're satisfied with. To put these best practices into action, here's an example prompt workflow for improving AI results. 1. Define the task clearly. State exactly what you want the AI to do. 2. Provide relevant context. Give the AI any background information it needs. 3. Specify the desired format. Tell the AI how you want the output structured. 4. Review the response. Carefully examine what the AI generates. 5. Refine the prompt if necessary. If the response isn't quite right, adjust your prompt. 6. Repeat until satisfied. Continue refining and generating until you get the perfect output. Why does prompt engineering matter so much? Because effective prompting can dramatically improve your AI results across the board. It leads to better accuracy in the information generated. You'll achieve better formatting, ensuring the output aligns with your needs. It produces more relevant content, directly addressing your specific requirements. This all contributes to greater productivity, as you spend less time editing and refining. Ultimately, skilled prompt engineering consistently delivers higher quality outputs, making AI a truly invaluable asset. Here's a crucial tip to keep in mind. Treat AI like a smart assistant. Just as you would with a human assistant, the more information and context you provide up front, the better the results are likely to be. Good prompts often include a clear goal, sufficient background information, a desired output format, and even examples when appropriate. Think of it as guiding your assistant towards success. Let's summarize Chapter 2. We've learned that generative AI is a powerful technology capable of creating new content across various mediums, including text, images, and code. Large language models are the foundational technology powering many of today's modern AI tools. We explored popular generative AI platforms such as ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, understanding their unique strengths. We also recognize that AI can significantly boost both productivity and creativity. However, it's critical to remember that AI systems have limitations and can make mistakes, including hallucinations where they generate incorrect information. Finally, we emphasize that prompt engineering is vital for improving AI responses, and that effective prompts are clear, specific, and detailed. Above all, human review remains absolutely essential when working with any AI-generated content. Thank you for joining us for Chapter 2.